I'm always looking for new ways to make money online, especially if it's a complementary income stream to what I've already built. Enter Ablestar. Ablestar is a Shopify app that's already being used by over 30,000 shops to edit millions of products a day in bulk. Oh, there's the keyword. You guys know I love to work in bulk because that means I can streamline operations. Now, here's the thing that I love about Ablestar. It's not that just we can edit products, right? We can actually create products in bulk in Shopify using an Excel file import. Do you guys know where I'm going with this? So we can export, for instance, all of our product listings from Amazon Seller Central. And if you're like me and you've been selling on Amazon Seller Central since 2017, you bet I've got quite a few. I've got a few 100,000 of them. I can import them into a new Shopify store in minutes. Yes, you heard that correctly. And I can make them available for sale on this new store, which means they're eventually going to get indexed by Google. And I'm going to increase my coverage of products that I have available for sale online. Now, are they going to get automatically fulfilled if I use this route? No, but here's the thing. We can easily sync the orders after the orders take place. So first things first, allow people to give us their money by making these products available for sale in additional places. Of course, people love Amazon, but why not double down and also offer them on Shopify, especially with as easy as Ablestar makes it? Should be a no-brainer. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video, and I'm going to show you some other cool functionality that Ablestar's got built into their app. So let's get started. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check out the Ablestar Shopify app. As you can see here, it's got a 5-star average review, and it's because people are loving it. Anything that makes your life easier as an online business owner, of course, people are going to love. And again, it's not just for editing products, which I'll show you briefly how to do, but what I love is that we can use it to create products. So we can go to the reports section in Amazon Seller Central, export data on our product listings, no matter if you have 100, 1,000, or like me, hundreds of thousands. Then jump on over here to the Ablestar app. You'll notice on the left-hand side, it says create products. So you can go ahead and click that and then click the button to upload your spreadsheet. This is assuming you exported it from Amazon Seller Central. You're going to need all the relevant product data there. Things like your product name, which you can go ahead and map to the correct field. In this case, that'll most likely be your product title. After that, of course, you can map your description straight from Amazon or wherever you exported your data from. It doesn't have to be Amazon. In my case, Amazon Seller Central makes a lot of sense. You can match your listing ID, your SKU, price, quantity, etc. It makes it so easy to do all of this and literally recreate wherever your online shop was, for me, Amazon, on a Shopify store. And you guys know one of the things I love to preach is occupy as much online real estate as possible. Make it as easy for people to find you and buy from you as possible. This is how we succeed as sellers in the digital age, in the internet age. So when you're ready to import and you've mapped all the fields, click create products. It'll validate your spreadsheet. And before you know it, they will be created in your Shopify store. You can see here I created 2 products, a coffee mug and a shot glass from my Amazon store. And you can even click them and edit them or just check that all the data made it over. It even kept the formatting of my HTML description from Amazon. So that's really cool. And you can see here that the product is made available for sale on the front end of our, in this case, demo Shopify shop. Now, they also have a product editor, so you can export your products. That's the first step, I would imagine. So you can go ahead and export. So on the left-hand side in the navigation, it says export product data. And when you click that, it actually lets you choose what columns you would like to include in the export, then click generate spreadsheet. From there, you can work offline locally on your machine to perform edits, again, in bulk. All right. Anybody who's scared of Excel, I mean, this video may not be for you, I don't know, but it is much easier to work in an app like Excel when you are working with a lot of SKUs. I'll say it one last time, I have over 100,000 products on my Amazon Seller Central that I'm importing over to my Shopify store in this case. So if I need to make any tweaks, any edits, being able to use the power of Excel definitely helps. When everything is ready to go, guys, just go ahead on the left-hand side and click Spreadsheet Edit, and then you click to upload your spreadsheet. It'll go through the same validation process to make sure before you start overwriting things on your live products that you can edit offline products as well. They don't all have to be live, but before you perform any edits, it'll let you review it, and boom, you're good to go, guys. There's a reason why this app is so popular. Check out Ablestar if you're on Shopify, and if you're not on Shopify, please export your products from wherever you're selling. Amazon makes it easy. Jump on over to Ablestar, import them into a new Shopify store. Do you guys remember a couple weeks back, I launched a brand new Shopify store that made its first organic sale within 7 days of launching. So that sent a really strong signal to me. We need to start taking Shopify a lot more serious. And we're not choosing Amazon or Shopify. We're doing all the above. Ablestar's making it about as easy and painless as it possibly could be. And before I wrap the video, I wanted to make you aware that they offer some other really useful tools. I think of them as almost secondary to the core functionality that I wanted to let you know about in this video, but they've got a tool that can automatically tag your orders based on criteria that you set up. They've got a WooCommerce importer, so you can import straight out of WooCommerce as well. They have email reports. Obviously, email marketing is incredibly important to starting your own Shopify store because you're not going to convert every visitor into a customer, but if you grab their email, you might be able to build a relationship with them and eventually convert them. And last but not least, a link manager, because over time, guys, I'm sure if you've ever ran a website before, you know that sometimes links are going to break. Wherever they're pointing, that page may go offline. This will help detect that for you. So guys, check out Ablestar. Again, I'm giving it my highest endorsement because I don't want to say you're just going to double your sales, right? But you're going to double all of your listings. You're going to double your online real estate, and that's going to lead to increased sales over time. This should be a no-brainer. I'm going to link to them in the description. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, let me know. Guys, I hope you appreciated this video. I was excited to make it because my mind's blown that this is even possible. They're making it so easy to import all of our products from, you just name your platform, name wherever you're selling. Again, Amazon makes it easy to export, but that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe on your way out. Check out Ablestar, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.